Barbecue.
Maybe we can get some lechon manok. You want lechon manok? Bring it in your house. Kuha tayo dun. Gusto mo?
Okay lang. Manok po?
Oo. Yung binarbecue doon.
What do you want to buy?
Lechon manok so that he can bring it to their place.
What is it, fried chicken?
No, it's lechon.
It's lechon. It's grilled. But in other way around. She's making another kind, but also manok.
Want to try it?
You wanna try those? Take it home with you guys.
I don't know. Not really. But if they want to have it, it's good. Okay.
Yeah?
I'm not hungry. I went nuts on the sushi again today, so.
It's okay.
Did go to sushi?
Yeah. Yeah, the Chef Samurai place
Oh
I was
yeah,
telling you about.
That's a balut. There's one there.
Where?
Right there. Balut.
Yeah, that's balut. Nasaan na tayo sa taon na to?
What?
Taon na to?
Ako, daw na po. Gusto na po niya tayo sa Tanday Kilo.
Meron pa bang lechon ng manok dito para magalan mo?
Doon po sa ano eh, sa Kamachilis na po.
Marami doon?
Ako, meron.
Alam mo na yun eh.
Ako.
Alam mo, kung ibang yung person.
Nag-iba na po.
Yan. Hindi ko na to alam. Dati, dali-dali kong puntahan to. May dating gasolinahan yun eh. Kala ko malamig. Init naman pala na eh.
Mamaya. Pero mamaya gabi pala.
Lusutan na yung mga bahay. Ano yun? Nabungkong mo mga yan? Hit and run.
Wala pong may kasalanan.
Ba't niya pinarado dyan, no?